Hi, this is Kayla from the Salty Yankee, and today we're going to be assembling the Cookie Christmas Countdown Calendar. This is a standing calendar that shows the days left until Christmas, and it's shaped like a little Christmas cookie gingerbread house. So first I'm going to show you all of the pieces that will be included. So these are all of the detail pieces for the front that will layer. This right here is going to be the box that holds the two cubes with the numbers. These two are the cubes with the numbers. Now, I've already added my numbers to these using vinyl. And then for the actual house itself, you have two pieces for one for the front, one for the back. And then there are 3 strips for the sides. This will assemble similar to a 3D letter. I've also got my days until Christmas text that's cut into vinyl. And then I have some extra details here. The frame, the window, the peppermints, those are bagged up so I don't lose any of that. So I'm gonna move some of these smaller things aside and let's start by working on the house. So for your house, you have a front and a back. So the front has the cutout, the back is solid, and then you have 3 strips. So let's put the front over here. I'm gonna flip the back over. So this is the back side of the house. And then you've got 3 strips here. So on your strips, you've got, let me show you here. I recommend having a picture of the file up. I'm looking at the file the way it's set up, so this right here. So if you look at the way that I set the file up, there's a long one, a medium one, and a short one. The long and the medium are very, very similar. But if you look on the long one, the perforation is closer to the left. And then on the center one, the perforation is closer to the right when all the tabs are on the side. So let me line them up, in real life to show you how that looks. So you have them set up like they are in the file. And the way that these are gonna go is starting right here, they're gonna go clockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this one will be the roof, so like that. This one will be like that. And then this one, the short one, will be here. Okay, so let me first just get all of the folding done. So let's glue down the roof. So I'm gonna do one side at a time. So I'm gonna take this tab and I'm gonna glue it to there. Okay, so there's that first side. So you'll see you have a tab right here so that when you glue this one down, this tab will glue to the next one. So I'm gonna add glue to both this tab here and this tab here. Okay, so now it should look like this. You've got all of these tabs folded inward, so you're kind of ready to plop that front down. We're gonna do some things to the front first before we put it down, just to save ourselves a little headache. So I'm gonna put that aside. I'm gonna bring this in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I need to put my, my vinyl down that says Days Till Christmas, but I need to make sure that I place it correctly. So I am going to grab my piece that looks like this, that has the candy canes on the bottom, and just kind of place it it lines up, you know, with the edges so that I can see. I'm not gonna glue it down yet, but I just need to see where this is gonna go. So right there. I'm gonna pull in my frame as well. So pull out this piece. So let's glue down our frame. Okay, so let's put some other small details on this while we've still got it flat. So I am gonna pull out my blue window backing and my white window cover. And then I'm gonna pull out my little holly berries pieces. And I've gone ahead and glued these already. These are the little leaves with the berries. So I've already glued the little berries onto the leaves. So let's do these suckers before I lose them. So this is gonna be the inset box that holds your cubes. So let's fold it. So we're gonna fold and then flip it, and then these outer pieces fold. And I'll show you how this is gonna look. Okay, so you're gonna have a box with flaps sticking out. So let's glue here and make the box shape. Okay, so you should have a box with tabs folded out on the top like that. So the way I like to do this is I'm gonna add glue to all 4 of the tabs. And I like to place it on top because I wanna make sure that none is peeking through or looking messy. Let it sit for a minute to hold in the position that you want. Then you can flip it and really give those tabs a press. Okay, so now that I've got that in, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the front down. So this is another part where I recommend bringing this in because you're gonna wanna pull this up and look at the order of the layers. So I'm gonna ungroup and I'm gonna pull it apart in order. Now I've got that as a reference. I'm gonna put it out of the way. That, okay, so I've got so now I've got this ready to go onto the top. Align the bottom and the edge of the left and right side. Okay, there's that. And then one last thing to do is just to fold our cubes, which is super easy. Let's just Get that folded up. So I have my cubes folded. So I've got, on one cube, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the other cube, you have 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't matter what direction or spot they're in because you're gonna place your cubes, you know, right side up, obviously. And then for those of you who are confused like I was about where the 9 is, you would turn the 6 upside down. So just slide that in there. 2, 5. And I can't get a good view of it standing, but there it is. If you make this project, please share it and tag me at the Salty Yankee, or you can send me pictures and videos, info@thesaltyyankee.com by email, so that I could share them on my blog and post them on my socials and share them with everybody. I love to share everything that you make with these files. So this one was a really fun one. I think this is probably my favorite one of Christmas so far. We will see. But that's it. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas. Bye.